What's that? You know what that is, don't you?
Milk.
Have you read this book?
It's a moose.
Have you read the book? It's full. If you feed a moose, what is it? If you give a moose a muffin, I think we have one of those. The thing with the book is full when you order them, they're only paperback. But I mean, I like them.
Open that
Well,
one.
open it. Oh, what is that? A present? Turn it around and look. Look in the front. Turn it around.
What is it?
What is that, Talon? What is that?
Is that a baby?
Is that a baby?
Let's see. What is it?
Oh, she's kissing it. You got a Spider-Man shirt?
Let's see.
Let's see that Spider-Man
Let's see
shirt.
that Spider-Man shirt. Wow.
Cool.
We're gonna have to get Pops to get some cutters.
All right.
Sorry about that. Okay. Here.